Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Alcohol Detection using Arduino Uno R3. So in this project, I'm using an Arduino Uno R3 and one MQ3 alcohol sensor. It is connected with the A0 analog channel A0 first channel I am using. So I'm using 5 volts power supply unit. So here I'm using an 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. So that RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, those are connected with the 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, and I am using one motor engine. So this is driver IC connected with the 5th pin and driver IC 4th pin and one alarm and one orange color LED. So when any alcohol, first there is no alcohol, it should be displayed on no alcohol, engine on, motor off, engine on, alarm off, indicator off. If alcohol is detected, it is detected as a alcohol detected, motor off, alarm on, indicator on. Let us coming into the hardware part. I am using an adapter power source. Otherwise we can use as a normal battery power source also. Okay, so for the purpose we can use battery power source, otherwise you can use the adapter, otherwise you can use the transformer power source also. So here this is an power supply section, Arduino Uno R3 board and 16 cross 2 LCD display and two driver ICs, one for the DC motor and one for the alarm and alcohol sensor. It is MQ3. So first of all, this is a 2-pin bulk strip, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So this entire section is called power supply section. If you use directly battery, it is connected with the regulator input. After that we will get the 5 volts output, and the 5 volts it is giving to the Arduino Uno R3 board. Okay, so ground. So this is a development board, Arduino Uno R3 board, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, and those are connected with the 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7. Those are connected with these lines. And here I am using an alcohol sensor. It is connected with the MQ3 alcohol sensor. It can detect any concentration of alcohol, it will be detected. So there is we are giving the set point is 2.5 volts and below it is no alcohol, 2.5 volts and above alcohol. So it is connected with the A0 pin, and we are using BC547 transistor, NPN transistor for the high current. This is a main, the purpose is switching on the motor and the buzzer and switching off the motor and buzzer. So it is connected with the 5th pin driver IC, motor, 4th pin driver IC, buzzer, and we are using 6th pin, it is indicator as a orange color LED. Now I am giving the power supply. Alcohol detection, no alcohol, motor on, alarm off, LED off. If alcohol is detected, okay, you can use any alcohol, any vapor. Alcohol detected, orange, engine off, alarm on, LED on. After that there is no alcohol, so that so first it is detected the alcohol, that voltage is increases gradually, the voltage decreases to the 2.5 volts and below, then it is tell you to the no alcohol, then the engine will be starts. It will take some time, around 1 to 2 minutes, then it will come in main status called active mode, then the engine will be starts and motor, buzzer and the LED should be stops. So in this project we can add the GSM modem and GPS modem. If vehicle is moving on the road, if alcohol is detected and it stops the engine, and it will take the latitude longitude value from the GPS and it will send to the predefined mobile numbers. Those numbers are fed into the microcontroller and it will send to the particular mobile numbers. Means this place the driver is drunken with the alcohol, the engine stops and it will give you to the owner mobile number or police station. Okay, so if alcohol is detect, if 2.5 volts and below, motor is on, alarm off, in LED off. If alcohol is detected, engine off, buzzer on, LED on. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.